guys. Okay, if you guys are curious on this eye look, definitely go check my Tati Beauty video out. It is currently up. It should be up before this one, but let's jump right into it. Today we are going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. If you're unfamiliar, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size items, and I like this subscription. Let's just jump right into it. It says Ipsy on the front, and then up here it says to you, from you. And then you open it up. I do cut it open just to make my life 10 times easier. Oh, something's already fallen out. You open it up, and it looks like this. And it says, discover yourself. And then the little card fell out. Let's see. It says, feel the love. That warm, fuzzy feeling you get from being in love. Feel it every day. In the littlest of things. From pampering your skin with a multi-step routine to savoring your morning coffee. Every moment is an opportunity to show yourself how much you love yourself. That's cute. And it looks like this. It says, will you be our Valentine's? Hey you, wow, you look great today. That shade, it's perfect on you. We wanted to let you know that you're doing a killer job. We get that life isn't always easy and liquid liner is hard. But you've totally got this. And just in case you needed to hear it, we love you so very much. So give yourself a big hug and let's keep in touch, okay? Talk to you later, XOXO Ipsy. I mean, that's cute. However, they could have put that in the back or something and still given me all of my full-size values for my products. I feel if they're not going to give me the product description and the retail value, then don't give me a card doll. Don't give me a card that's a waste of paper and isn't useful to me. That's just my personal opinion, but let's jump right into it. So we have this yellow, or the orange foam, I don't know colors. Orange foam, open it up, and this is what we're looking like. So I see some things right on top. These are the Sweet Chef masks, and there's 3 of them here, which I love the packaging. That is gorgeous. Look at this. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand, but these are the Sweet Chef masks. This one is a ginger and vitamin C fresh pressed sheet mask. It brightens dark spots and uneven tone. This one is a kale and vitamin B fresh pressed sheet mask. It hydrates and soothes dry skin. And this one is a beet and vitamin A fresh pressed sheet mask. It refines pores and smooths rough skin. Okay, I love these, and it's selfie approved beat of my heart. And then this one says selfie approved oh ginger snap, selfie approved don't kale my vibe. And they are vegan, cruelty free, free of parabens and synthetic dyes and fragrances. I like that. I will definitely give these a try. I love sheet masks, and these are super cute. Next, we have a product by Wander Beauty, which we get a lot in subscription boxes. However, I've never seen this in a subscription box before. This is the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. Looks like this. And it says, I have mine in the shade Fair, and it says, a weightless fluid foundation formulated for full coverage with a natural radiant finish, designed with a doe foot applicator to deliver seamless coverage. So if it's like this, I wouldn't think there's a doe foot applicator in here, but I'm like, oh, it says it is. That's a little weird. Why not just make it a squeezy tube? A doe foot applicator shaped like this, never heard of it, but okay, it was taped shut, which I like. And then let's, I guess, open this up. Okay, that's unique. And that does not want to come out, man. Oh, okay, so that was really hard to get in and out. And it like flung product when it came out, but it looks like this. Let's do a little color swatch on the back of my hand. That's the shade. Let's blend it out. Okay, looks like a decent shade match. You can't really see it, but yeah, I will certainly give this a try, maybe in a Saturday foundation review. And then we have a product by Dominique Cosmetics. Okay, this is the eyeshadow palette. It doesn't say much else. It just says eyeshadow palette. Okay, looks like this. Cute packaging. It looks like a little sweater. A sweater, I mean. And oh my gosh, it's like textured. That's super cute. Okay. I like this. Look at that. And it's little. It's cute. Okay. Those are the shades. We have Sweater Weather, Fuzzy, Toasty, Cuddle, Chill, and Messy Bun. Looks like that. Let's do some swatches. Okay, so those are the swatches. The first 2 shades I really did have to go over a couple times, and this shade as well. Very light, not very pigmented, but, you know, we will try them out with the brush and see. I'm excited about that. It's cute. Okay, let's move on. Next, I have a product by, what brand is this? This is Bella and Argent Matte in 3 Plays. I don't know. I think this is a lipstick. I'm assuming this is a lipstick. It's bulky packaging so far, but I'm assuming this is the lipstick. Oh yeah, look at that packaging. That is so bulky. Look at this. Like, that is seriously, like, why is this necessary? I get, like, it's cute and everything, but why is it necessary? It is a metal lid, which is nice. And it's got little stars on it, which is cute. Let's push this up. Okay, very pretty shade. I've never heard of this brand, so little drying at first. Okay, little drying. I really had to go over it to get some color to build up, but that's the shade. Super pretty. I'll definitely give that a try. It does have a smell. It smells very, like, chemical-y kind of, but that's the shade. Very pretty. I will definitely give that a try. I don't like the packaging, though. It's a little too bulky for my liking. I get there trying to be cute, but... And then we have the makeup bag. This is what the makeup bag looks like. Not anything spectacular. It's, you know, light purple with the purple inside and a purple zipper. Okay, it's cute. I have so many makeup bags already. And last but not least, we have a LaRousse. I don't know what this is, but it looks gorgeous. Like, that looks very luxurious. How do I open this? It opens like a little envelope, I'm assuming. Oh, yeah. Cute. Open it like this. Okay. What's in here? Oh, it opens like a little envelope. That is so cute. Oh, it's brushes. Okay. Ooh, okay. So we have 5 brushes in here. Ooh, I love the handles. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is, I'm assuming, a foundation brush, but look at this handle. I love this. And yes, this is a flat foundation brush. Super, super soft. I'm excited. I love getting brushes, and I love that we got a set of them. And like, the bristles are like a gray, charcoal gray, and the handle is a studded black, matte black. I love this. Okay, I've never heard of this brand either, but I'm definitely going to give these brushes a try. And we have a few frayed bristles, but, you know, tends to happen. Nothing crazy. What else we got in here? We have a, what brush is this? Angled contour. It's a very dense brush. I don't know if I'd use that for contour, but very dense, very fluffy, same handle. I love that. And then we have a kabuki brush. This is a tiny kabuki brush. Might be good for, you know, kind of like detailed contour. Looks like that. Again, I just love these handles. Oh my goodness. And then we have a shadow brush. Looks like this. That'd be good for smoking out, you know, lower lash line. And then this one is a tapered blending brush. Ooh, I love little brushes like this for very detailed work. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about that. I love, 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 love getting brushes. Okie dokie. That made me super excited. But you guys, that is everything I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Let me know down below. Do you get this subscription? Did you get the same thing? That is all. Thank you guys for watching. And definitely subscribe down below. You can also follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.